I've been tricking for so long, and I still see new tricks. I love tricking. So the idea is set into a B twist, but instead of twisting this way, I twist the other way, like that. I think it'll be easiest for me to do if I do it on my offside. Boom, 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 boom. I think that'll be easiest for me. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. Now you see, that's where it's gonna get hard. My body just wants to kick over, and I don't want to kick over. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Less than ideal. I didn't jump. I was too scared to jump. I don't think I jumped at all. Now I gotta swing it. I'm figuring it out. What the heck is this trick? I apologize if I'm not like describing much right now. I'm kind of locked in. I want to get this. Every single one of them feels wrong, but when I look at the footage, they look right. I want to figure out how to make it feel right, look right, be swingable. Us. The rawest swing. Nah. I don't know if that was good. I don't know if that was bad, but it exists. And that's what matters in this world. Oos. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but it's something. It's something. So whatever this thing I'm doing is, it looks chunky. It feels chunky. It's not smooth. I gotta butter it up. So I'm gonna try and butter it up. This time, I'm gonna try and initiate like a swiping motion with this leg on the takeoff. When I'm in this position, I'm gonna try and almost push over like a swipe, because I think that sends me in the right direction. Oh, that felt so much better. Oh, that felt so much better. Side swipe tech. Side swipe tech. Side swipe tech. I understand if this is not that understandable. This is my internal monologue. Offside B twist setup. Once I hit the B kick area, side swipe tech, but I'm actually doing a rise. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Interesting thing about tricking. Tricks look different from different angles, and I want to analyze this trick from a few different angles, because I don't know if I'm doing what I'm trying to be doing, but I'm doing something, and that something feels cool and feels nifty, and I like things that feel cool and nifty, so I want to explore it. But yeah, I need to explore it from different angles. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm able to catch myself, so I gotta figure that out. Like I said, it feels like an offside B twist setup. Once I get to the B kick, I'm doing a side swipe tech over, but I'm actually doing a rise. Meh. There's some deer scat right there I gotta watch for. This? That one felt good, bad. That one felt good, bad. Confusing. I am confused. Oh no, oh no. And that's usually a spot where I cut it, but I have destroyed my brain today by doing something that is so not used to what it's normally doing. So to counteract that a bit, I'm gonna do a few butterfly twists, just plain, simple butterfly twist. Plain, simple butterfly twist. Oh my God, that feels so easy compared to whatever the mess I was just doing. Gotta figure that thing out. Oh, but B-twist feels better than ever. Ooh. Butterfly twist. All right, so that was my unconventional kind of tutorial on un-B-twist, whatever that thing I was doing is. I do think it is the un-B-twist, but I gotta go review footage. I gotta figure this out. This is super cool to me. This is new territory that I haven't really explored in tricking, so yeah. Have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Try and figure this out if you can. I want to see other people do this trick because it helps me progress a trick. All right, I'm no-shotting it. I gotta review footage. Have a lovely day. Let me know what you think of this trick. Let me know what the name should be, because clearly I'm still figuring these things out.